Welcome to our training tips to reduce A to Z guarantee claims and returns. Customers can file an A to Z guarantee claim to ask Amazon to investigate an order or product issue when the seller hasn't resolved the issue within 48 hours. You can access this information by searching for the Amazon's A to Z guarantee claims help page in Seller Central. Most customers don't need to resort to the claims process, however. In this training, we'll share tips to help you prevent A to Z guarantee claims and returns in the first place. A customer might submit a claim or request a return if the product they receive doesn't meet their expectations. Accurate product detail pages help customers make informed buying decisions. We recommend you describe your products accurately, use clear images, and check that your products are matched to the correct ASINs. In some instances, you might need to cancel a customer's order. For example, the customer may have placed an order for a product that's out of stock. To maintain the customer's trust, promptly cancel any out-of-stock orders and contact them with an explanation as soon as possible. Then proactively aim to only list available products that you can fulfill. Providing excellent customer service can also help reduce claims and return requests. A customer might submit a claim or request a return if they've messaged you and haven't received a response within 48 hours. They're required to contact you before raising a claim, so regularly check your buyer-seller messages and respond to customers promptly. The buyer-seller messaging service is your only approved method for communicating with Amazon customers. You can use this tool to respond to messages directly in Seller Central or your registered email's inbox. To access the Messages page, select the envelope icon in the top right corner of the Seller Central homepage. You'll use buyer-seller messaging to respond to product questions or order delivery issues. For order returns or related questions, customers must instead contact you through a return request. If a customer mistakenly contacts you about a return through buyer-seller messaging, instruct them to raise a request using the Online Return Center. To respond to a return request, select the main menu icon. Hover over Orders and select Manage Returns. A customer might submit a claim if they've sent you a return request and haven't received a response. Respond to return requests within 48 hours by either approving the request or closing it based on the order's return eligibility. Only close a return request if the order is ineligible for a return, and note that the claim will be granted if you incorrectly close an eligible one. If you close a claim for an ineligible order, always let the customer know why their order wasn't eligible. If you approve a return request, provide clear guidelines on how the customer can return the product. Your instructions must include a local return address or a prepaid return label. For instances where you don't want the product back, refund the customer and let them know they don't need to return it. If you'd like to update your return settings, select the gear icon in the top right corner of Seller Central and select Return Settings. Fulfill your orders with care using adequate packaging and trackable shipping methods. Tracked shipments allow customers to see the status of their delivery without needing to contact you first. We recommend you also add insurance or request a signature for high-value orders based on your business judgment or when Amazon requests it. The Valid Tracking Rate, or VTR, metric represents the total percentage of packages with a valid tracking number during a given 30-day period. You'll need to maintain a VTR of at least 95% on eligible orders you fulfill yourself to continue self-fulfilling orders without restrictions. To help meet this target, provide the name of the carrier, type of delivery service you're using, and tracking ID when you confirm a shipment. Follow these steps to confirm or edit tracking information. Select the main menu icon. Hover over Orders and choose Manage Orders. Enter the order ID into the search field and provide the revised tracking number. If you'd like to monitor your VTR and other shipping performance metrics, select the main menu icon. Hover over Performance and choose Account Health. Review the Shipping Performance section of the Account Health page. One way to help earn customers' trust and reduce claims is to follow through on your timing commitments. In other words, confirm order shipments before the ship-by date and ensure delivery is completed before the estimated delivery date. If a customer's delivery is delayed for any reason, notify them through buyer-seller messaging and verify that they agree to accept a late delivery. As a reminder, an order is considered shipped when the courier first scans the package, not when the order's shipping label is printed. Finally, we recommend using Buy Shipping Services or Buy Shipping for order delivery. With Buy Shipping, you can purchase shipping labels individually or in bulk and ship, confirm, and track outgoing orders. Because these orders are delivered using a trusted network of shipping carriers, you're protected against A to Z guarantee claims if the claims are related to delivery issues and you ship the orders on time. To access Buy Shipping, select the main menu icon, hover over Orders, and choose Manage Orders. Find the order you want to ship and select the Buy Shipping button that appears next to it. Search Use Buy Shipping Services in Seller Central to learn more about Buy Shipping and availability. Buy Shipping also helps ensure customers can return their orders without delay. In certain marketplaces, we'll authorize returns that align with Amazon's return policy and provide customers with prepaid return shipping labels on your behalf. You can use Safety Claims, also known as Seller Assurance for e-commerce transactions claims, to appeal our decision to issue a refund to a customer. To qualify for a safety claim, we must have already fully refunded the customer. To review a list of possible reasons you may be eligible for reimbursement, search for Reimbursement Policy for Prepaid Return Labels in Seller Central. If you'd like to file a safety claim, select the main menu icon, hover over Orders, and choose Manage Safety Claims. Select File a New Safety Claim. Enter the order ID for the return and click Check Eligibility. If the order is eligible, we'll ask you to select the reason that best describes the case for your reimbursement claim and to attach supporting documentation. For example, you might attach proof that we initiated a return for an item that was outside of the return window. After you submit the safety claim, we'll email you to let you know if we've received it. Aside from this notification, any discussion regarding the claim will take place on the Manage Safety Claims page. You now have the tools to help minimize claims and returns and provide a great experience to your customers. Thank you and happy selling in the Amazon store.